Yeah, good day, guys. This is Chibuzo Agowa, and once again, you're welcome to Blogging for Tech YouTube channel. Do you have an Android phone that is currently lagging, and maybe you don't have enough money to purchase a new one, and you still want to make use of the phone? You've deleted lots of apps, and the issue persists. Then this video is just for you, because in this video, I'll be showing you how to speed up your Android phone by just tweaking some few settings, which I shall be showing. So basically, we shall be using two different phones, though the settings we are tweaking are the same, but the steps to arrive at that settings is quite different in various Android phones. So that's the more reason why I shall be using two phones. I'll be using the Xiaomi phone, a Xiaomi Redmi phone, and also an Infinix phone. So currently we are on the Xiaomi phone, and after I show you the process or the steps in this video using this phone, I will also switch to my Infinix phone. So if you own both phones, then this video is basically just for you. And if you own maybe a Samsung or a Techno, the steps are the same, just though the important things that we are doing, and you can arrive to it, and your Android will speed up in just a few seconds. So basically, what are we going to tweak, or what are the changes we are going to make this thing a little bit faster? This video is not about telling you to install install some apps, or maybe delete some files in your phone. Now your files and your apps we are going to keep them intact, but with these few tweaks alone, you get your phone running once again. So the tweaks that we shall be changing is the window animation scale, the transition animation scale, and also the animator duration scale. So those are the a few tweaks we shall be showing. I'll be showing the figures you will impute, which are different from the figures that your phone are currently running. And this settings is basically accessible only once you've enabled developer mode. So first thing, or the first step which we shall do, is that we shall enable developer mode on our two phones. First of all, the Xiaomi phone, this very phone I'm using, and also the Infinix phone. So those are the steps I'll be showing you, which are a little bit different, but we'll still arrive to that tweaking of those three settings or scales that I've told you of. So now, first of all, step one is what? Enabling developer mode. So from my Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G, I've talked about this phone a lot on this channel, and that's the phone I own. So that's the more reason why, if you're not part of this channel yet, you can kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification, so that you will follow up this channel and also get some important tutorial videos that I'll be releasing in due time. This is actually a technology related channel. So now let's go. Step one, let's enable developer mode. So the first thing we have to do is to go to settings, and once we go to settings, in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G, first thing you see is the about phone. So you tap on about phone, and once we are here, now to enable developer mode, all you have to do is to tap the MIUI version, which is the first option you see. Once you tap the MIUI version up to 7 times, your developer mode will be enabled. And once you enable, we'll now go to those settings and tweak them. So now let's tap 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, so now I've tapped. So you are now a developer, so you have seen. So that's the first step, enabling developer mode. So once you've done that, let's go back again. So now from your home screen, you still go back to setting. Now this time around, we want to access the developer mode. So where can you find developer mode in your Xiaomi phones? Once you go to settings, you have to scroll down to the part that says additional settings. So as you can see, we have arrived to additional settings. So you tap on additional settings, and once you're at the additional settings window, you scroll below, and also you see developer mode, as you can see. So what you have to do now is to tap on developer mode. So you see the first step of enable developer mode. Now we are going to find those settings that I talked about. So now once you've tapped on developer mode, keep on scrolling, scroll downwards. You scroll, it's almost below the settings, so you scroll, keep on scrolling. Now you arrive to those three settings, and there they are. The first one is the window animation scale. Let me see the window animation scale, the transition animation scale, and also the animator duration scale. So all you have to do is to first of all tap on the window animation scale. The scale that it is on default is 1x. So all you have to do is to reduce it to 0.5x, which is the second option. You tap it. Then you do the same thing for the transition animation scale, reduce it to 0.5x, and also the animator duration scale, reduce it to 0.5x. So once you've done this and go back, you will see that your phone will be extra speed just as you can see. Though this is a new phone, it's still speeding up, but the phone that I really want to like speed up is the Infinix phone, which we shall be seeing in the next video. So now we've done that, and we've speed up this Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G phone. So now let's head over to my Infinix phone. So if you're liking this video already, give it a thumbs up, and if you own the Xiaomi phone, go ahead and try this out. Once it works, come back to this comment section and tell us. So now for the Infinix users, now let us switch now to your own phone. So let's go to our Infinix phone. So we are now on my Infinix Android phone, and remember the two things that we are doing, which is the first of all to enable the developer mode, and the second to change those tweaks, which are the window animation scale, transition animation scale, and also the animator duration scale. So enabling developer mode on Infinix phones is quite different from Xiaomi phones. That's the reason why I shooted, or I did this two video for you to easily understand. So now for the Infinix phone, now let's enable developer mode just like the Xiaomi steps I said earlier. You click on settings, tap on settings. Now, once you're in settings, you now scroll a little bit down below. You see where it says system. System, you tap on system, which is the last. Now, once you tap on system, it will now bring it to your XOS, which is the Infinix default operating system. You now bring it down here. So now you now see about phone just below. So you now tap on about phone. And this time around, to enable developer mode, you will be tap in the build number. You see the build number, which is this. So you now tap the build number also 7 times till you get. So now once the developer mode is enabled, in my Infinix phone actually set actually a pin, so that's why it's requesting for a pin. Just so if you have a pin set in your phone, it will always request for a pin. So all I have to do is to enter my pin, then I enable it, enter, and we are done. So just now you've enabled developer mode. Now to confirm, just like the start, let's go from the beginning. So now to confirm if the developer mode is enabled, or to actually see the developer mode menu, all you have to do is to tap on settings, and once you're in settings, you scroll below again, click on system. Once you click on system, you now scroll, you now see the developer options is now enabled, as you can see here, which is just above the about phone. So you tap on the developer option, just like we did in our Xiaomi phone. We have to scroll down, you scroll to where we actually find those scales that we are about to alter. So now we've seen it, I've seen it. See this, first of all, the window animation scale. So like we did on our Redmi phone, you click on it, you place it on 0.5. Then the transition animation scale, you also click on it, you place it on 0.5. And the animator duration scale, you tap on it and also place it on 0.5. And let's go. You can see the phone is already so fast. It's faster than what it was before. Before it tends to lag, it lags a bit. So I've achieved my aim. You can try it out. If it works for you, also come to the comment section and tell me yes, it worked, and give this video a thumbs up, because I believe it will actually work. So go ahead and try those two things. If you have a Samsung phone or maybe a Techno phone, the steps are similar. All you have to do is to enable developer mode and go and tweak those 3 settings that I told you about. So with that, we've come to the end of this video, and if you find it informative enough, kindly give it a thumbs up. And if you're still yet to be part of this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, that red rectangular button below this video you're watching that has the inscription subscribe, and also click on the bell notification beside it, turn it on so that you get notified whenever I release another tutorial video just like this. Like I said from the start, it's a technology related channel, and we do shout tutorials. Basically, go to our video playlist and you see lots of informative and educational videos. So with that, we've come to the end of this channel. Like I said from the beginning, Chibuzo remains my name. I'm blogging for tech is the name of this channel. So see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.